My name is Chase Ficklin. I'm the product manager for heavy breakers and combi hammers. And I'm excited to introduce to you today the first ever Hilti cordless jackhammer, the TE2000, and it runs all on this 22 volt Nuron battery. We're here and excited to show you what a Nuron battery can do and the outperformance it can bring. With this TE2022, we actually bring you corded performance in a cordless tool, all while keeping the tool weight under 50 pounds. And we've even improved the AVR, which is active vibration reduction. And what that means is that the user doesn't take a beating when they use this tool all day. As you can see, this cordless tool has plenty of power. If you want to know more, check us out online.